To determine if you can sue a city for not enforcing codes, it is essential to understand the basics of municipal liability. Cities have a duty to enforce their codes and regulations, which are designed to protect the health, safety, and welfare of their citizens. If a city fails to enforce its codes, it may be liable for any damages or injuries that result from this failure. The first step in determining whether you can sue a city is to identify the specific code or regulation that was not enforced. This could be a zoning ordinance, a building code, or a health and safety regulation. Next, you must show that the city had a duty to enforce the code, that it failed to do so, and that this failure caused you harm. For example, if a city fails to enforce its zoning ordinances, allowing a business to operate in a residential area, and this business causes a nuisance or decreases property values, you may be able to sue the city for its failure to enforce the code. Similarly, if a city fails to enforce its building codes, resulting in a dangerous or defective building, and you are injured as a result, you may be able to sue the city for its negligence. To sue a city, you will typically need to file a notice of claim with the city before filing a lawsuit. This notice must include the basis for your claim, the amount of damages you are seeking, and any other relevant information. You should also gather evidence to support your claim, such as documents, photographs, and witness statements. It is crucial to consult with an attorney who is experienced in municipal liability cases to determine the best course of action. Your attorney can help you navigate the complex legal process and ensure that your rights are protected. Additionally, your attorney can help you negotiate a settlement with the city or represent you in court if necessary. In conclusion, suing a city for not enforcing codes can be a complex and challenging process. However, if you have been harmed as a result of a city's failure to enforce its codes, you may be entitled to compensation. By understanding the basics of municipal liability, identifying the specific code or regulation that was not enforced, and gathering evidence to support your claim, you can take the first steps towards holding the city accountable for its actions.